In this video, I'm going to show you on step by step how you can actually earn $100 per day, even more if you want, using Instagram and AI tools. Hey, hello, my name is Yana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you an easy strategy that everybody can follow if you want to earn $100 per day. I need to be honest with you guys. You need to watch the entire video. You need to be consistent if you really want to get results. This is not something that you're going to do today and that's it. Okay. It's not that magical, but definitely it works. And if you don't want it, you don't have to show your face. Okay. So now let me share with you my screen because there is a lot of things that I want to share with you actually today to make sure that we're going to be on the same page. Okay. First of all, okay, this is a proof of my income. This is just for inspiration. You can see that I earn $26, $43, $100, another $100, 26, 100, 100, 109, and so on. So this is just for information, just for inspiration, just to show you that this actually works. Okay, which type of page are we going to be doing? We are going to be doing a team page and we're going to be doing something like this. Okay, there is a couple of things that we need in order to have our Instagram account set up properly. First of all, it needs to be niche specific. Okay. I know that on social media, we can post whatever we want, but if we really want to earn money, it needs to be niche specific. Okay. So with that said, this example is in the fitness. Okay. It's in the fitness is actually, related to girls who wants to be fit. Okay. You can find things about motivation, humor, mental health, and you are going to have a link. Okay. This is a link tree. I'm going to show you more about this in a moment. Okay. So you're going to have, you need to have an image. It can be a logo. It can be your picture. Okay. Since I use a personal brand, I have a picture, but you can have a faceless account, as I told you. Okay. Super easy, super simple. You can download and create custom logos on Pexels, on Canva, on Freepik. Okay. So which are the most profitable niches online? Health, wealth, and relationships. This one is going to be on the health niche. And everything that I'm going to be talking about here is going to be on the health niche. We're going to be doing these type of posts, super easy, super simple, but people love them. And most importantly, they're going to do the action that you want. Okay. So once you create your account, we are going to create an account on Linktree. It's actually free for you to join. I have a Linktree account for so many years now, and this is my Linktree account. Okay. You know, I have my picture. This is my Instagram. Well, actually my Instagram and my Linktree username. I have a couple of links here. Okay. Because I promote in different things. And in order to add your link to the product or products that you're going to promote, you're going to click here where it says add. Here, you're going to paste the link. You can change the title. As you can see, for example, I have this one that says Amazon's pay you every month through passive income. I have this one here as well. Okay. So you can change that. Where are we going to get the products? We are not going to create them. You can go to ClickBank on clickbank.com. In this case, I'm in the health and fitness. And you have to make sure, okay, you have to make sure that you're going to click here where it says gravity high to low. You can promote as many products as you want. As you notice, I have 3 things there. Okay, you're going to click here where it says promote. You're going to choose your nickname, and then you're going to click here where it says continue. Okay, this is your link. Here it says my link. Okay, this is your link. You are going to copy it And that's what you're gonna put on your link tree. You can change your links, okay? If I don't want this one, I can click here and I can delete it, okay? So that's for you to know. Also, if I would like to rearrange it, I literally drag and drop it. Okay, I'm not gonna change the order because this is a live Linktree account. Okay, but it's to actually show you now what we need. Okay, we need some phrases, and I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create this super fast. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you are looking to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so we're going to be creating these phrases, these images that are super easy, super simple. Okay, but I know that sometimes we need some inspiration. So we're going to be using an AI tool. In this case, I'm going to be using DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek is like ChatGPT, but nowadays it's a little bit optimized. And here on DeepSeek, I created a free account. You can do the same. You can create a free account. And I asked DeepSeek like, hey, I'm in the health and fitness niche. Create 10 positive short motivational quotes that I can use on photos on my Instagram profile. Okay, these are the photos that I'm going to be using. These are the types. Super easy, super simple. And DeepSeek know that I'm going to be using on Instagram. That's the reason why it's actually really short. Really short phrases, and I have some hashtags. For example, we have here, "Fill your body with goodness and it will reward you with energy and vitality." Okay, some emojis. So cool. Now you can create as many phrases as you want. Okay, but we need to make sure that these are going to be really good looking. So we're going to go to Canva. Okay, you're going to go to canva.com and you're going to type Instagram posts. These are posts that I have used in the past. Okay, you have over 20,000 templates that you can choose from. One really good thing that I like about Canva is the fact that it's a place where I literally find everything that I need. So I don't have to be looking outside for images, elements, fonts. I literally have everything and I don't need to start from scratch. Okay, so you're going to choose the one that you like. Okay, you're going to choose the one that you like and you can customize it. In my case, I'm using one that is really minimalistic. Okay, I can change here and I can add the image of my Instagram page. For example, this image here. Okay, I can put the name here. In this case, it's this one. Okay, if you want, you can remove it. Just click here and delete. You can change the phrase. Okay, here on elements, you can find shapes, images. You can ask Canva to generate an AI image here. You can put images. You can do like a quick search. Okay, if that's what you're looking for. As I told you, this is one thing that I really like about Canva is the fact that I have everything. So I don't need to be overthinking. If you want to duplicate it because, you know, there are just 10 images, you can click here and it's going to duplicate it as you notice. So you can add the text. Let's say that you already did everything. Okay. Let's say that you already customized it and everything. You're going to click here where it says share. Okay. And you're going to download it. Okay. You're going to click here where it says download. And you're going to go with PNG to make sure that you're going to have the highest quality. And you're going to click here where it says download. Okay. So now there's a couple of things that we need to do in order to upload the image. Okay. I'm going to click here. They are not using captions. They're just using emojis, but they are using hashtags. So I can ask DeepSeek to help me with some captions and some hashtags. So I can ask it like, I'm about to post this images on Instagram. Please suggest me some hashtags and captions to use. Okay, super easy, super simple. Okay. Um, here is telling me for quote number one, okay, because I asked it like I want 10 quotes. Okay. Number one is your body is your most priceless possession. Take care of it. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Here is it. Boom, boom, boom. And here I have the hashtags. Okay. So I'm going to use the phrase. This is the one that I'm putting on the image. This is the caption. Okay. I have the hashtags that it's recommending me for every single quote. If you want to change something, okay, if you want to change something, you can let it say that you want to make some changes. Even it's giving me some suggestions. It says mix popular hashtag with niche ones to reach broader audience while staying relevant. Use 10 to 15 hashtags per post for optimal engagement. Rotate hashtags to avoid being flagged and spam. Okay. So that's the reason why, for example, we have here like fitness goals, which is needs related, keep going. And motivational Monday is not, it can be on the spiritual niche. It can be on the health niche, on the wellness niche. Okay. No quit the same, stronger every day. You got this. Okay. So it did what it suggested me. Okay. So now you can literally go and post this image on Instagram. You can even program them on Instagram. You can schedule them so you don't have to be uploading every single day. If you want optimal results, I suggest you to upload at least 3 per day. Okay. I know at the beginning it's going to be, as like everything that is something new, it's going to be taking some time, but trust me, guys, it is actually going to be worth it. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. Remember that to check my number one recommendation to make money online, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.